Hello students, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. So now we have been given question about inflation. So let's see and solve it quickly. The series for Madras School of Economics expected question from the economics part, and it is for 2025. So on the sample question directly. So the Fisher equation, and the question is, you read in the newspaper that the nominal interest rate is 12% in Canada and 8% in the US. So imagine that real interest rate are equal across country. Now, using the Fisher equation, what you can infer about expected inflation in Canada compared to the US. So the Fisher equation, which we know, it states nominal interest rate. Nominal interest rate is I. You have real interest rate, that is R, and expected inflation rate, that is pi. So here I can write the equation as 1 plus I is equals to 1 plus R, 1 plus pi. So we know I is the nominal interest rate. I is the nominal interest rate. R is the real interest rate. And pi is the expected inflation rate. So nominal interest rate in Canada is given 12% and nominal interest in US given 8%. So now the Fisher equation, since the real interest rate we know are the same, and it states about, we can compare the expected inflation rate from here by the difference in nominal interest rate. So we can write for Canada rate plus for Canada, and similarly for USA also we can find R plus for US. So now I will find out the difference. So for Canada, if I calculate, it will come substituting the value 12% minus 8%. Okay. So here we can get 4%. So the expected inflation in Canada is 4% higher than in the US. So this ends the question. If you are giving, so I will suggest that you not only this, there are certain formulas which we give for trade, like not comparative advantage or absolute advantage, but there are certain formula like export value, import value. So you should do with those formulas also, because scrutinizing the question paper, what we can understand that they are giving many formula imputed questions. So it will be more beneficial to fetch the marks for you. Thank you, students.